Innovative Ordinance KGB Latch, which, as you've seen, is an extension of your typical magazine latch to allow you to drop the mag free or release the mag with your trigger finger or middle finger while you're reaching for your next mag. One of the things that they mention in the instructions is that you have to file or tune the length of the mag catch, and that's something that I certainly had to do. To show you how sensitive it can be, we'll start with a Eastern European stamped steel magazine. It dropped free. Serbian bolt hold open mag with a coat of paint on it, dropped free. Tapco mag hangs, you gotta sweep it free. Master molder plastic mag, very difficult to push the latch, hangs more and then has to be swept free. And lastly, we have a first generation Magpul mag. You can see it releases, but you have to sweep it free.